guys. Ow, my jaw popped. Okay. So today is today is January 7th. It's a Thursday. I'm gonna go get my nails done today. The before. Sorry, that was for the thumbnail. Anyways, I'm gonna get my nails done. And then we're supposed to be going to the Museum of Fine Arts and then go to IHOP. We're gonna have like a little date day, me and George. Let's see if that actually happens though, because he's also going to get a haircut and he usually gets like really tired after that, so we'll see. But yeah, this is the fit. I've already worn this before, but who cares? I'm just wearing my K-Line hat, bucket hat, my fake Gucci. These are the jeans I thrifted with my brown belt, and obviously the Docs. Yeah, this is really just to go get my nails done. I just want to wear something comfy but warm because it is actually really cold outside. They're even talking about like it might snow in Texas in January. Yeah, climate change. It's great. Also, I have my hair in trenzas or braids. I'm really vibing with them, except they're like kind of throwing off my hat a little bit, but I think they're cute and they're really long. This is long to me. They're like to the top of my boobs. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for George. Maybe I'll get some clips at the nail salon. Hopefully, I really want to, but I'm just gonna get them on my phone. What percent is my phone at? Yeah. Oh yeah, and I'm just carrying my trusty JanSport fanny because I don't feel like having a bag, and I just rather have everything on me, on my body. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later, or hopefully y'all see me in the nail salon. Oh, also I sized up my ears, so I'm at a 0 now. You have no idea how happy that makes me. It's literally, you probably can't even tell a difference. Oh, we love breaking out. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Here's the right hand. I mean, that was most definitely my left hand. This is my right hand. My little ring on my nail. I love this style. So cute. Hi, I was trying to put in an order for pickup. Can I get a phone number? Yeah, it's gonna be. Look what George bought me. Ooh, matches my nails. Quit playing with me. This is my Christmas present, and my nails are my Valentine's Day present. Right, babe?
One of them.
What does that mean?
What do you mean, what's that mean? You still gotta have something to open around things.
I can just do something. I don't need a gift. I'd rather just spend time with you. Oh, cue the all track. And edit and post. What? Disgusting.
Wait.
Yo, I'm so close. I can taste it. I cut this like 5 different ways. Okay, you know what? Maybe I should just get out the parts I can get out. So it comes with a little wristlet. This is now an unboxing. And the one that I got came with the... What kind of batteries are these? Double
Says
A.
on there, babe.
On here?
Yeah.
Double A. That's what they use.
The bigger ones are double A, the smaller ones are triple A.
I knew that. And it comes with film. I have an older not
Where
Instax.
is that one at?
It's in the closet.
What is
The
it
one
called?
over there. I have an older one that has like wider film. It's really cool. My grandpa got it super cheap at a pawn shop. And but the film for that's really expensive and like kind of hard to find. Like, even though they had it at Walmart, I was surprised because they never do. It has an owner's manual. Here she is. Oh my gosh. Leave your name ideas in the comments. She looks like, we'll call her Strawberry. Shorty Strawberry. Whatever. Think of a better name in the comments. So yes, I will set her up momentarily, but I want to show what else George got me that I was using as a tripod for my tripod. He got me this cute little excuse me, photo album, and it matches the camera. It gives me like sunset vibes, which I love. This is so cute. It says Instax on it too. In gold. Ooh, that's a vibe right there. It's like this. What is this material? I don't know. It's like squishy. Oh, this is so cute. So each page has like 3 slots. See? And it's front and back. This brings back memories. Do you know those little photo albums with like pictures of... My family always put pictures like of, you know, of us. This is so cute. This is really cute. I love this. Thank you, babe. Okay.
I can see Ariana and Raymond and you and Joanne.
You can't see them all at once. You have to page over.
Oh, I didn't know we could swipe it over.
This is so...
I prefer a phone call.
Well, then you can't see everybody.
You can't talk to everybody at the same time.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Adrian. Happy birthday to you.
I don't know how I'm about to turn off my camera.